Good afternoon, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. And I know it's been a disappointing day. I know a lot of you are waking up this morning thinking that you've got your SHIB sitting in your wallet and you're waiting on it to explode. You're waiting on it to go up 2x, 3x. I know a lot of you were waiting for that to happen. I know I was. And I was very, very disappointed. But at the same time, I wasn't surprised. I just put out a video talking about how folks have been lying about putting Shiba Inu on Robinhood for months. I mean, ever since May, April. And this is not the first time. It's just people are running away with bogus information and putting crap out there and feeding on FOMO to drive their hit counts up. And sometimes I don't even think it's intentional. But the truth of the matter is that it's forcing Robinhood to get out here and basically, set the record straight and tell folks, hey, this is a process. There's some news announcements out there talking about it. So we don't know when or if they're going to do it. But like I said before, when it happens, it happens. Get yourself a Robinhood account. If you and watch for yourself, but I wanted to talk about why SHIB is still a great investment, even though this is not investment advice. In my opinion, is still a great investment, and I'm going to show you why, because we're going to do some analysis between Dogecoin and SHIB, so you can see what people aren't really talking about. So to give you some context, let's just go ahead and go down to the number 10 coin, Doge. Let's click on it. Let's look at it. You can see it's at 27 cents. You can see that its market cap is sitting at a frothy 35,773,000,000 and so forth. And we can see its chart is up and down. But what I want to pay attention to today is the number of holders. You can click on this tab on CoinMarketCap and you can see they got a 7-day. You can see the number of holders is going up, 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 up. That's good. That's good for Doge. But let's go ahead and look at a bigger view. Let's look at the 1 month. It's still going up. And let's look at the 3 month. We see something strange here in August. It appears there was this huge sell-off, and then, of course, it went up, 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 and past where it was. But what I need you to really pay attention to is look at August 3rd, 2021. For Doge, the number of holders was sitting at 4,238,000. Let's take some notes here. Let's just make some notes. Okay. So we've got 4,238,702 holders on the 3rd of August. And let's go all the way to today or yesterday, Halloween. We had 4,488,192 holders. So what you can see there is in a 3-month period, roughly, okay, 31 October, right? If we were to do some quick math here, let's just go ahead and do it. Let's get it done. If I take 4,488,192 and I subtract 4,238,702, what I get is approximately 249,490 new holders for Doge. Okay? Over a 3-month period. Let's go and do a similar thing for SHIB. Let's go and look at what's going on with SHIB and do a comparison. So we go to the number 9 crypto, and it's looking nice. It's up a little bit today, even though it should have been skyrocketing. But guess what? Folks weren't telling the truth. But it doesn't matter. And I'm going to show you why. Because we go over here to the holders. It's got a similar pattern. Things are going up. Here's the 1 month. Let's look at the 1 month. They're going up. They're going up. They're going up. I don't need anyone calling me while this is going on. Let's look at the 3 month. They're going up. They're going up. But when we dig in, we're going to see something very different about the numbers. Let's go back here again to August 3rd for Shiba Inu. And you see they had 600 and they had 610,541 on the 3rd of August. And on Halloween, they had 872,382. So if we take our calculator out, 872,382 holders minus 610,541 holders is 261,841 holders, new holders over a 3-month period. So as you can see, the rate at which Shiba Inu is gaining new holders is actually slightly more than Doge. But here's the part that really is the kicker. If you look at these numbers and set the rate to the side, you can see that even though Doge has 4,488,192 holders, she only doesn't even have 1 million holders. Why is this important? Why is it important that Doge, what is the value of this comparison? Doge having 4,488,000 some odd holders versus she that only has 872,000. This is telling you just how much room she has for growth. I want you to imagine that she currently is number 9, and it doesn't even have 1/4 of the holders that Dogecoin has. I'm going to say that again. Somehow she, even though it has less than 1/4 of the holders, people actually holding SHIB, then Doge, they are still above Doge in the top 10. People spent more money on it. Where am I going with this? What happens when we take the number of holders that SHIB has and it gets to the point where there are just as many people holding it as are holding Doge? We've got 2 meme coins here, 2 dog coins here. What happens when just as many people are holding SHIB as Doge? What if we just multiplied 4? Okay. Well, let's get the figure. Let's get it exact. Let's just not just guess. Let's take 4,488,192 holders of the Doge and divide it by 872,382 holders. We get 5 times the holders, 5.14 more, times holders than SHIB for Doge. What would happen if we were to multiply that? Okay, just multiply that by the current market cap or the current price of SHIB. Oh yeah, we're fixing to do this. What would happen if I took that 5.14 and multiplied it by The current sheep price, 0.0007081. Are you ready? You get 0.0003643. Folks, 5 times on your money is still possible if SHIB one day has the number of holders that that Doge has. The more people that buy SHIB, it creates less supply. And it is quite feasible, even though this is a rudimentary calculation here, that we could go 5 times on the money with or without Robinhood. So this is just a real quick thing. Just imagine Shiba Inu price sitting at 0.00036. I'm going to let everybody just sit there and think about that for a second. We're going to be talking about how they end up rolling the zero out of the 4th spot there. And then all of a sudden the hype gets to the point where they got to talk about rolling to, 1/10 of a cent. Okay. I've always said that it might be possible for them to get to 1/10 of a penny. I don't believe they can get to a penny, but this is why I think that they could get to 1/10 of a cent, simply because of this issue with the holders. So hopefully you found this video valuable. If you did and you're not a subscriber, please like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Okay, this is the kind of analysis that we need in order to not, be victims of FOMO and FUD and just jumping off of an investment because something like the Robinhood didn't happen. Digging down deeper and understanding the actual dynamics of the herd. If the herd gets bigger, the price goes up. If the herd gets smaller, the price goes down. If big fish jump in, they don't cause as big a splash if there's more people in the pool. These kinds of things are the kind of analysis that we need in order to make better decisions in this space. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.